guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Angela here. So in today's video, we will be talking about the Notre-Dame. The Notre-Dame is a Gothic cathedral which is in the heart of Paris, France. In the summer of 2018, I visited France and Paris, which is one of my favorite cities of all time. Now, on my last day, I went and visited the Notre-Dame de Paris, or Notre-Dame Cathedral, and I really loved it. I love the historical significance because it was built in the 12th century. So the cathedral has been around for 850 years. Oh my gosh. The second thing, which is very noteworthy, it's 3 rose windows. And now these 3 rose windows are 33 feet in diameter. So it's very round, so it's circular in shape and it's so beautiful. Now it makes it seem like there's God in the cathedral. The next historical significance is that Napoleon crowned himself Emperor of France there at Notre-Dame. The next religious biblical character is Joan of Arc. She was beatified there by a pope. The next cool thing I like about the Notre-Dame is the gargoyles. So what are gargoyles? Gargoyles are basically half man, half beast statues. They're just waiting to ward off evil. And also they help divert the rainwater. But if you've seen the 1996 Disney version of The Hunchback of Notre-Dame, the gargoyles come back to life. I really loved the Notre-Dame, and for this fire to have happened due to carelessness or whatever the reason may be exactly, since no one's 100% sure what happened, it's quite devastating and just sad to see such a magnificent building just pretty much nearly gone. Yes, they may have saved some relics, which are just religious things, and they've managed to moved it to the Louvre Museum. But it's still quite sad to hear about this, wherever you are in the world. And now I personally think it's very generous for these businessmen or a businessman to decide to want to help repair the Notre-Dame. Whether you're for this or against this businessman helping to repair and rebuild the Notre-Dame, I think it's the gesture and the desire to want to help rebuild and keep and conserve this historical monument. So now my question to you is, what do you think about the fire that broke out? And what do you think the next step should be? Should we rebuild the Notre-Dame, or should we use that money elsewhere? Let me know in the comments down below, and see you in my next video. Make sure you hit the like button once and the dislike button twice. See ya!